Okay, today's on Dave's Cooking Show, we have a recipe that I literally came up with while I was in the goddamn grocery store. It is a lemon walnut salmon. So as you can see, got a nice little piece of salmon there, and the seasoning is just kosher salt and lemon pepper. That's it. Now with salmon, I cook it about 95% on the skin. Last 2 minutes, I flip it over, sear the top side, get it out, and then let it rest for about a minute. And for salmon, I don't really go well done. I go closer to medium well. So let's move on. Okay, let's make up the sauce for this here salmon. I got about a half a stick of butter in this here pot over medium heat. Make sure to forget to take the goddamn sticker off the fucking lemon. So you gotta fish it out on your cooking show like a jackass. And then you want the zest of at least 1 lemon, maybe 2 if you like it a little more lemony. Just want to run it over the zester here. Also, make sure you rinse this off the second you're done using it. Otherwise, this shit will dry out, it'll harden, it'll be a great big pain in the ass. By the way, if you have any little cuts you didn't know on your hands, this will let you know exactly where those motherfuckers are. Then add the juice of 1 lemon. The reason you didn't see me run it through my hands is this lemon actually didn't have any seeds in it. Alrighty, then add the walnuts. About a 1/4 cup of kind of chopped / crushed walnuts. I toasted them up a little bit earlier. And then salt and pepper. And just keep this on a low heat until your salmon's done. Okay, and about a minute before you're going to pull this off, I almost forgot, you want to add some freshly chopped chives to this sauce. Okie dokie. Look at that. Salmon's done. Cooking show magic is wonderful. I paired this with a dry white wine. I think it was a Chardonnay. And then just pour the sauce over the salmon. Before you serve it, give it about 30 seconds for the butter sauce to incorporate. And that's it. Lemon walnut salmon. Done.